Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Snapchat streak emoji. So basically this is what my Snapchat streak emoji is, and if you guys do not know what Snapchat streak emoji is, if you consistently send and receive Snapchat for more than 3 days with a person, then you get a Snapchat streak, and the Snapchat streak increases more consistent you are with your snaps. So that's basically what Snapchat streak is. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change it. So the fire icon is the default one, so let me change it to another one. And before I change it to another one, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow and you guys can get notified once our new video releases as well. So be sure to do that and watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you guys skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can change it as well. So it's pretty simple. So first thing first, click on your profile icon. Once you're in a profile icon, you can click on the setting button over here. You can scroll down until you see customize emoji over here. Once you're in customize emoji, click on it. Once you're over here, try to find streaks over here. As you guys can see streaks, I can click on streaks, and as you guys can see, this friend emoji appears next to the number of days that you and your friend have snapped each other. If you and your friend don't both send a snap within 24 hours, you will lose your streak. That's basically what I say. So right now it's on fire emoji, so you can change it to whichever I want. So let's say I change it to a smiley one. Now after I click on it, I can go back to my chat, and as you guys can see, my streak emoji has changed. And if you guys want to change it to default, you can do the same thing. Go on setting, customize emoji, and click on reset to default. Yes, after doing this, it's gonna be back to the fire emoji. Go back, and as you guys can see, it's back on fire emoji. So that's basically how we do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, ask us in the comment. I'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.